As I said in the description, I want to figure out if it's possible to use live screen and then share my screen, because that's one of the things I really could use. And look at that, there's a nice button on the bottom of this live screen when you go live, with a little, just a square with a little arrow up, and it says share screen. So let's try this. Oh, and then where are we going to? Look at that. So simple. And it's just like that. Anyhow, I don't have anything to share at this moment. I just want to say, let's start with don't look at the messy behind me. I've started to. I always have been on a desk sitting like most people are doing, but recently um, I've been looking into the option to create a standing desk, and because, as you can see, my room is not that big where I work, I bought a little tiny IKEA desk which just fit in. But that meant I didn't have any space at all. I had my screens, I have my computer. I have two screens here, one big one old laptop, and one laptop I use normally, which is connected to the internet, etc., etc. But I have all these extra things like my microphone. I have two lights. If I move forward, you can see one in my glasses. I have two lights on both sides, these just cheap ring lights. Um, well, of course, your keyboard it's nice and handy to have that as an extra. So this, I run out of space basically if I wanted to have some stuff, and I couldn't have it lying on my bed. Anyhow, I am a little bit. I'm not that. I sometimes have a little bit of clutter, which isn't good as an entrepreneur. But coming back to the topic, I tried to buy these little stands you can raise when you want to stand and go down, but it was bigger than my desk itself, because the desk was very small. So I changed it to a way bigger. I have double the space now, and it goes up and down, and I can stand, which I love to do because it's just sitting the entire day, or most of the day, not the entire day. It doesn't feel very good on my back over time. I'm getting older. So that's for everybody who are sitting the entire day behind the desk and doesn't move around very much, which you should do once every hour at least, just for at least 5 minutes running around. Well, not running around, just move around, get your bloodstream flowing again. It's nice to stand and just do this. So this is my space for now. It started out as talking about technology. Every entrepreneur, and I use so much different technology, and I do most of the stuff myself. So attaching everything and having everything working creates a lot. You need some time for that to make it all kind of perfect. Never make everything perfect, because then you will work on some things forever. This one, I'm normally, as I said in the description, I normally have Zoom meetings and I do challenges, or I have webinars or workshops, events in the near future too. I do that through Zoom. I wanted to take a break from Zoom for. I had my reasons for some time, so I was looking in something to see if I could make a video for myself and share my screen and show some things. And it's very simple. Apparently, if you have a web camera, then you can just add to share your screen as you want. That's so simple. It's if you look for it online, you get all kinds of different videos with a lot of information about other programs you can use, which I'm not looking for. I just want to have a simple video, and it's almost 6 minutes already. Simple video, just simple, share my screen if possible. And if I have to tell something, I can do that. So if you have any questions about how I do my things, just ask. You can comment here too. And yeah, that's about it. So see you next time. Thank you for watching.